how to get approved for Bank of America business credit card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get approved for Bank of America business credit card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So to qualify for Bank of America business credit card, your business must meet specific criteria. First is your business must be legally registered and actively operational. This applies to all types of business structures, including sole proprietorships, partnerships, limited liability companies, and corporations. You'll need to provide documentation as well. Second is your credit history. Bank of America evaluates both your business and personal credit histories. Generally, a good personal credit score is required. Key aspects reviewed include personal credit score and business credit profile. A strong credit history can significantly improve your chances of approval. Third is your financial documentation. Applicants must submit various financial documents that demonstrate the business's financial health. These documents typically include financial statements, tax returns, and bank statements. Fourth is your business information. Providing detailed information about your business is essential. You will need to share specifics such as type of business, annual revenue, number of employees, and purpose of the credit card. And last is your personal guarantee. Most Bank of America business credit cards require a personal guarantee from the business owner. This means that you'll be personally liable for the debt if the business cannot repay it. So that's how you can get approved for Bank of America business credit card. That's all for this video.